Hi everybody, welcome to a Chalk DIY with me, your gracious host Nikki. How's everyone doing today? Did you guys see my story about going to the beach? We had an awesome time at the beach. Sorry, drop. Oh, I like when my light pops up right there. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Hello, Tammy. As per the usual, I have a Chalk DIY notification group, and if you're not in it and you'd like to be notified when I go live, just let me know. Hello, Mom. So, we're gonna make, I'll tell you that here. We're gonna make this today, and we're gonna do a little magic of TV, because obviously I already made one. But I'm gonna show you how I got to this point. So, my dad left this at my house, well, I don't know, long time ago. I didn't end up needing it, so I'm using it for crafts. So what you do is you can take, now some people use the metal kind. With the metal kind, you're gonna have to color it. I mean, unless you want metal pumpkins. But all you do is take it and glue it like this. Do not make my mistake. So this one, I cut really small. You could see how it's sort of twisted in the center there compared to this, where they're all nice and straight, the ribbing. The glue is holding the first glue. But the second glue, this one last final little bit, not holding. But we're gonna pretend like it's at the back. So you need a pair of wire cutters, and you need this. I was trying to get it a little more open, but you sort of just guesstimate and cut. Now it's on a curve, right? So when you cut, there's gonna come a point where you're gonna hit the wire. Now this, hello Shauna, this is the hard part. You got it. If you have a father, a husband, a brother, a cousin, a man in your life who has better wire snips than me, that's what you need. I sort of just break it down till it doesn't want to go anymore. Sometimes exposing the wire helps. See? Padam! So yeah, it's called flexible vinyl ducting. So now you're left with this mess. Sort of trim it down here, and I bent this wire on the inside of the other wire. See here, it's all yucky. Oh, did you see that? I made sparks. So again, I just put that on the inside. Then you're gonna get your hot glue gun and another stick. Seem off? Oh well. So you're done with those. Once your glue gun heats up, you're gonna glue it. Did I do it? I did it again. Come on. I did the first one so easily. There we go. Now, if you have a pair of these, see, I twisted it a little. So you're gonna go little bit by little bit by little bit, keeping it together like that, okay? So you're just going to run some hot glue as close as you can to the, go in, to the wires and hold it. Sorry. And again, as close to the wires as possible. Why is this glue stick not? And then just hold it. Hot, hot, hot. I have another one. Hot, hot, hot. You want to hold it till it comes together. You can feel it's still hot in there. Now I sprayed this with Rust-Oleum. It was the only orange spray paint at the craft store, or not, I didn't go to the craft store. The home hardware. So I'm just gonna let that continue to set. Okay, I like the white pumpkin. But you can, I did not try to paint it with acrylic paint. But you could, I guess. There's nothing stopping you. So then I did not, you can go out to your yard and get a stick. Some people used a wine cork, neither of which appealed to me. So I did have these pine cones that I got at the Dollar Tree. Oh, here's a nice, oh, look at this one. What would I ever do with that? Let's use that one. It's kind of crooked. But we're going to do that second. Then I got some of these leaves. They're like a fabric leaf. And I just pick nice red one. Bigger. Nice this one. Ooh, that one's nice. This green one. You could do. Oh, here's. And then you hi Lane, shove it back in the bag. See how that worked? Ooh, remember the law of 3, 5, 7. Apparently, the world is turned on by odd numbers. So then I just took my glue stick and, oh no, I threw a little glue on here. Oh, I know what I forgot. And just tap that in there. I'm using my finger protector. Then you're gonna get your, what do you call this? Pine cone. Stick it on in there. You're gonna have to hold that pine cone for a couple of seconds till the glue sets. Now, I took this ribbon that I got at the dollar store. Dollarama. It's this one. It's too thick. So what I did was I just went down. I'd like to say the middle, but you and I both saw that I suck at cutting a straight line. And then I just put some glue on the end here, underneath the leaf. Press that in there. Now I know the rule of 3, 5, but what am I going to do with half a piece of ribbon? So while we're waiting for that to set, I actually found some Spanish moss at the Dollar Tree. And I thought it would be a nice touch to sort of just, let me get my finger on, throw some, my crooked, under here like this. You can't mess up Spanish moss. Messy as all get up. And then I took a pencil with a clip and I clipped it to the edge here. And then I just ran it like this, slipped it off, and you can unravel it any way you want. Whoops, let's do it this way. It does have to be a wired ribbon. So you could do it nice and tight, like that. Or you can, I like it pulled out. Pull it out. I like it with the Spanish moss. There we go. 2 pumpkins. Jeez. Let's try and get it a little further down under my, there. Could play with it. To me, it feels like grass, but, and that's all there is to it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Good way to go downstairs and see if you have a piece of dryer. Now this pumpkin took 4 days to dry. 4 stinking days. I can't take credit for it. You know me, I'm a Pinterest queen. But yeah, 4 days to dry, outside and inside. I do want to show you something else. 2 things. I'll leave those there. The other day when I did my live from the Dollar Tree, I showed you this tablecloth. Turns out it's fused together, but I was able to unstitch some of the stitching. So head on out to the Dollar Tree. They had so many cute designs, and you can make yourself a little, it's summery, but we're gonna ink on this. I have so many projects. I was like, which one do I want to do today? So many of them. So there you go. Once again, I'm putting a call out. My call to action is I want to see your pumpkins. We're getting fall-like. So I should have done it like this. Cover up that messy part. That's it. I'm still looking for club members. This month's club member deal is awesome. It's $26.99 a month to join the club. You get an 8.5 by 11 and 3 chalk paste, the singles, shipped to your house every month. On top of that, it's $9.95 shipping on anything else you order. And this month, the deal is when you purchase $125, you get 50% off, which is more than I get, off 5 different surfaces. This is an awesome deal. So if you haven't joined the club, now is the time to join the club. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. Does anybody have any questions before I go? Make sure you're in my craft group. And don't forget, tomorrow I'll be live on YouTube at 1 p.m. Chuck DIY. Quite simple. But I usually upload after, but tomorrow I thought I'd go live. Let's try the YouTube thingamajigger. Okay. The closed captioning is hilarious. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys have a good night, and I do have some more involved crafts coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Love you guys. Bye.